Now I'm gonna show you how to install one of the most convenient Python software, Anaconda. It's really easy to use and really convenient for beginners, so let's start. The first thing you want to do is downloading the Anaconda from their official website. To do so, write Anaconda download right here and click the first link here. In this window here, you will be able to see and download the corresponding Anaconda for your operating system. Now go ahead and download this file. After downloading the setup file, open your downloads folder and double click the downloaded setup file, or just click the icon from your browser's download section right here. In the pop-up window, you will have to click a bunch of next buttons. Here you can change where you install the Anaconda, but I'm just gonna leave as default, and I recommend you to do so for you guys as well. Now, if you are using Windows, you should be able to see Anaconda Navigator in your Start menu right here, or if you don't see it, you can just search for it with Anaconda Navigator. Yeah, right here you can see Anaconda Navigator and open it. Well, in this window now I'm gonna be using a Jupyter notebook, but if you want to use any others like Spider or VS Code, it's okay, you can open and use them. Now to open your IDL, just click launch. It will redirect you to your home page. Well, here just open new Python 3 IP kernel, and here you can code. Yeah, it works like this. Now thank you for watching this video. If you like this video and want to continue, just click subscribe button. Thank you.